You're gonna love this. This is the Tutto Sewing Machine Trolley. This is a big machine, but it fits in this bag. All kinds of stuff work with this. I'm gonna show you all the detail about this. This is the K-facet version of the Tutto Sewing Machine Trolley. This thing is amazing. Look, you can take this most anywhere. First, I'm gonna lock the wheels down. These front two wheels lock, so you've got some sturdiness here. This is the handle. The handle is easily removed. You just squeeze these and pull it off. But what's super cool about this, the zipper top is easy to do. K-facet, if you don't know, is a designer who's well known for bold prints and patterns together. That's why this looks so cool. This is not something you're gonna see every day. Now look, there's so many pouches and stuff on this. I absolutely love it. There's a front pouch here, there's another, and then watch this. There is side access. What's side access? Hello, that's side access. Look, you can put extra stuff in here. If your sewing machine is too big to come out of the top, just pull it out of the side, okay? It's really, really something. Now I'm gonna unlock the wheels because I'm gonna turn it around and show you the other side too. There's even more storage. You can put some of your smaller cutting mats, pressing mats into this thing. It's so nice. And on this one, all kinds of pouches again on this side. This doubles for more than just a sewing machine trolley. I mean, I could see this, you could take this as an overnight bag somewhere. You can use this in so many situations. It's very versatile. Think of this walking into your next quilting retreat. Do you just want to walk into the quilting retreat and go, hey, I'm here? Or do you want to walk in and make an entrance? Because that's what this is all about, making an entrance with the K-facet Tutto Sewing Machine Trolley. I hope you'll check it out. Our website also lists the brand names and model numbers of all the biggest sewing machines that will fit into this. This is the extra large size. There's also a large version, so check out the description of this product. A link to the product will be in this video. And I hope you will follow us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think that's about it. Give this a try. This thing is beautiful and it's wonderful, and you will be the talk of the quilting retreat. Happy sewing.